Okay. Yes, Mr. Rami, you can continue, please.
Yes. Dari mana ya tadi yang bisa?
I asked you, how about if you are a buyer and then or you are a customer and you want to buy something, what will you do then? Because I think in negotiation you can be better than the seller maybe. So yes, how do you deal with that if you are the buyer?
Yes. Usually if I'm the negotiator, Mister,
Mm-hmm.
I'm in in my in my purpose, I must get the purchase order, ya, Miss Diana, ya, in
Okay.
this today. If I'm not get the PO, I will not to 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 get out there. So if the price is not accept, I will call with my boss and the boss to give the best price
Oh.
from the close deal.
Mm, mm, mm.
Yes. So we must to be carefully to give the discount, I think.
But when you call your boss, is it in the same day or you said to the customer, okay, sir, maybe next week or maybe tomorrow I will come to see you again.
No, in the same day, Mister. Must be the same
Oh,
day.
mm, mm,
Yeah,
um,
actually it's before I'm negotiate, I must prepare the bottom price, ya, Miss Diana, ya.
mhm, mhm.
I so in the I think usually I know by the bottom price for manager and the bottom price for GM. I think yeah the range is I know lah. I know.
Ah, okay, okay.
So so if your is usually if the customer invite you the negotiation, I think your offering is accept, Miss Diana.
Oh, mm.
Except the tendering, yeah. Except the tendering. Tendering is the most cheaper, the most cheap. I think so. So it's the tendering.
Ah,
Yes,
okay. So interesting.
yes.
Okay. Yeah, negotiation are so interesting, honestly. Okay. Maybe Fasha or Rani, you want to ask something to Mr. Hami because I can say that Mr. Hami is so experienced in this field, guys. Because Mr. Hami always do this every day, almost every day, I think, in his job. If someone to ask something about negotiation, please, I will give you time to ask. Fasha, maybe? I think Fasha has a trouble with her signal. Are you okay,
Yeah.
Fasha?
And no, with my signal, I have
Signal.
to zoom at the same time. So I must, yeah.
You mean you have class right now?
Ah,
You have a class.
uh,
You have another class.
yeah, but today not my group to presentation. So I just
Oh,
to hear.
oh my God, Fasha has two classes right now. Ah, you always have class at night, yeah, Fasha? Always at night.
Yeah,
Hmm.
tiap hari.
Every day.
And no, not that bad. Not every day. Only 4 of 7 days.
Oh, 4 days. Ah, I see. Okay, okay. Okay then. Okay. Fasha, you have any question for Mr. Halmi, especially about negotiation?
No, because I am not here at all.
Okay. Okay. So yes. Okay.
I have question, Miss Diana.
Okay. Okay.
Usually when I first time to the enter the campus, yeah, we are make a negotiation with the lecturer. I
Mm-hmm.
think in all the campus like that or no, yeah, until now, yeah.
What kind of negotiation is it, Mr.
I
Rami?
think the presentation of the assignment, UTS and UAS, I think. No?
Oh, if if it was my experience, I didn't have negotiation like that. Like if my if my lecturer say like this, yeah, we try to follow that. If in my
Oh,
era, I don't know, but I experienced something like that. And for
in
me,
my camp,
Mhm.
yeah,
No, you
in my
can
camp,
continue.
in my campus, in the first time the lecture, yeah, the lecture come, we are make the negotiation absention 10% and UTS
Oh, that things.
25%.
Oh
Yes.
yeah. If like that, yes, we did it, Mr. Helmi. But if, for instance,
Oh.
like you have to submit this maybe like in in week 10 with 11s, yeah, we have to agree with that if something like that. But if like what you said before about the assignment, about assessments, yeah, we have to deal with those things all with our lectures.
Oh.
BCO, we call it like basic course outline, I think. Yeah, BCO. Basic course outline, we call it like that. Yeah.
Oh iya, berarti masih
Okay.
masih ada ya di
Yeah.
kayak Rani gitu masih ya kayak gitu ya.
What
Misalnya.
about you,
Iya.
Rani?
Same like Kak Dena, but sometimes for the deadline of our assignment, the lecturers first like discuss for the day should
Mm,
we submit that assignment so we
okay.
can have a win-win solutions because of it. Because like a lot of assignment in other courses, so the lecturers try to memaklumi and gave extra time to us.
Okay.
Yeah. And same like we have a BCO, like Mr. Helmi said, like 10%, and we should not late more than 5 minutes or
Mhm.
10 minutes. Like yeah, same.
Mhm. Yeah. But because if Fasha is like worker, yeah, working. How do you say that? Like the program is for worker. So of course she has class like at night, sometimes on Saturday, something like that. That's why Fasha like Kak Akta, Mr. Hamid. Kak Akta is also working, right? Like working program. The same with Fasha. That's why yes, right now she's having two classes. Oh my God. Okay. Uh, this is some like how to negotiate with other people. So this is like the step when we do negotiation. There are some steps like say what you want over something, show that you are listening, be positive, and say thank you. If possible, blah 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 like this. If possible, I'd like to, aku ingin ya. Jadi aku bukan aku akan suka, but I'd like to itu adalah aku ingin have the day off. Oh, ini kalau misalnya say to your boss, you want to get day off, this is how you say to your boss. If possible, I'd like to have the day off. That over something. Over something is like yeah, overing. I'll work late this week if necessary, and then show that you are listening. I understand what you're saying and be positive. I'm very pleased with your work and say thank you. Thank you very much for your understanding. Like that. Okay, so this is the example on the why it becomes smaller. Wait. Okay. Next, let's discuss about this. We still have time, right? Okay. I will ask Rani to ask to Mr. Helmi the first question, and if necessary, you can ask more question to Mr. Helmi, please.
Okay. So Mr. Helmi, in what situations do you negotiate and who do you negotiate with? And think about both your work and your private life.
Okay, in what situation do you negotiate? I think in in the situation for the situasi apa? I don't know. Yes, for the to reach the apa ya, dealing price ya, I think ya istilahnya. Rani ya. What do you negotiate with? Usually I'm negotiate with the purchasing or purchaser ya. Biasa purchaser. Think about your work and your private life. Yes, and in the private life, I think with my son, I will the negotiation to buy something. I think usually I'm buy toys. I think yes, just like that, Rani.
Okay. Okay, Rani, you can ask more question.
So you are like always dealing with your son. So when you face that, your son is always like angry or sad because of that toy. So what kind of actions that you do to make your son um maybe you can offer another's things, or maybe you just say it about kata-kata kayak penenang begitu, Mr. Helmi, so your son didn't sad anymore. Can you explain more about that?
Uh, yeah, actually, I'm a negotiate with my son when he reach the something ya. Yeah. Actually, I will negotiate the cheap place. I think the cheap place. The cheap toys. No, sorry, the cheap toys. Like a Lego, and the toys can make thing. Yeah, I think yeah. And if my son is not accept, I will say to my wife, and my wife will not will not accept, I think, with the toys, I think. Yes, if with me, I think my son will accept.
So you are so close with Firas then.
Yes.
Okay. That's why he always said to me that you are his best friend.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, next wait. Okay. Fasha, is it possible to you to answer question?
Yeah.
Okay. So I want ask Mr. Hamid to ask question to Fasha number wait. Why it should be Mr. Helmi, any number 2 actually. Okay, Mr. Helmi ask to Fasha number 3.
For Fascia, what makes a good negotiator?
Okay. For me, what makes a good negotiator is about if you not make some people to make you when you don't make some people don't like something like apa ya, something like aku lupa tuh.
Wait, what makes a good negotiator itu kayak bagi kamu negotiator yang bagus, yang yang baik itu yang kayak gimana sih gitu?
Yeah, I know, but
Yeah.
I don't know to ngomong Inggrisnya tuh. Tadi udah disiapin ya. Okay, can I read the next?
Yes.
Okay.
Sure.
What makes a good negotiator? For me, that make good is about if you not to make not make your partner or some people not make, they are so feel annoying about you, like ya gitu.
Maksudnya dia tidak terganggu sama negosiasi itu, like that?
Yeah, something like that, and you must apple to apple with them, like yeah, you have so welcome with them if they are have some another things about negotiation.
Okay, so have another things about negotiation. Okay. Yes, Mr. Hamid, question, please.
Me, Miss Diana.
Yes, question, please. Maybe you have
To
question.
Fasya.
Yes.
Yes. I think Fasya usually negotiating with what, yeah, misalnya in the camp in
Oh,
your
okay.
church.
In what
in the-
situation? Maybe this one. This is the question. In what situation do you
Yes,
negotiate?
yes.
Okay, at university or private life?
Up to you. So, Mr. Rami just asked, like, in what situation do you usually negotiate?
Okay, actually I have more negotiation at my university, like not only me, my friends, they are my friend is worker,
Okay.
and my lecturer, I think every weeks atau yeah, we are have some, so there are we have so we have assignment,
Mhm.
and then we are at 6 semester. That for me, at this semester is assignment of this semester is so very susah, apa ya Miss?
Difficult.
Difficult and more killing power. You know what I mean?
Energy, maksudnya kayak gitu.
Power and yeah, something like that, and so there are, so that's why me and my friends we have negotiation with my lecturer to more long time to deadline,
Oh,
or
okay. Get
something.
longer time for deadline.
A
So
longer
Mr.
time to
Rani,
deadline.
yes,
But
yes.
sometime,
Mm-hmm.
but sorry, Miss.
Yeah, it's okay.
Sometimes very difficult to have good negotiation with lecturer about that, but my lecturer is very kind with us, so yeah.
Okay. Okay. Tadi I forgot ya. Rani asked Mr. Rami asked Fasha also. Fasha asked Rani then. Fasha asked Rani number 6.
Okay, for Karani, how can you avoid being manipulated in the negotiation with a more experienced negotiator? Sorry, Miss. I wanna
Yeah. You can ask.
how to spell negotiator?
Negotiator. Yeah, negotiator.
Negotiator.
Negotiator. Yes, Rani. How? Rani?
Wait, Kak, my internet connection are bad. Can you repeat?
Okay.
Because yeah,
The question are number 6. So you can read number 6 and then answer that.
wait. My screen still blank right now.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, my connection is really bad. I don't know why.
Oh, but I repeat to read the
Yeah,
question?
you can
Okay.
repeat again.
How can you avoid being manipulated in negotiation with a more experienced negotiator?
Negotiator.
Negotiator.
Okay. How can you avoid manipulate in negotiations with a more experience experience
Negotiator.
negotiator?
Mm.
I'm actually not a good one at for being a negotiator, like same as Mr. Helmi. I think
Mm.
this question is more sweet for Mr. Helmi, but I will try to answer these questions.
Okay.
So I think to avoid being manipulated is someone more experienced is learn more about the topic or some kind of want we what want to be discussed and set clear goals, confidence, and also ask questions so we can reach the win-win solutions. Like you have the positive, so I have the positive one, and I think and don't feel pressure in the middle of negotiations to agree to something you are uncomfortable with. Just like the previous slide,
Mhm.
like said in the what kind of five rules. I
Yeah,
think we
yeah.
can use that.
Okay.
Yeah, right. But I forgot. I just remember that. Yeah, I
Okay.
think that's
Okay, but that's a very good answer actually about number 6. Okay, Fasha, you can ask one more question if it's possible, if you think it's necessary.
Up to me.
Yeah, no, you can ask question to Rani if you want to.
Oh, no, I have no question.
Okay, no question. Okay then. Maybe Mr. Hami, you want to ask something to Rani? After negotiation.
Mungkin maybe waduh. Fasha maybe.
Okay, you ask
Fasha
Fasha.
worker or not, Miss Dena?
Student, university
Oh,
student.
Student.
yeah.
But
Oh,
I'm student. I'm taking class program, worker program, but I'm not worker.
Hmm.
yes. Actually, I have a question from the worker, Miss Dena. Usually, if we are negotiate about salary, if the first first
Ah,
first
yeah.
first first job,
Hmm.
because HR usually make you uh like down, ya, Miss Diana, ya.
Okay.
I
Oh.
I have experience first I'm negotiate with HR.
Hmm.
Yes, I'm said about uh, 2.5 million, and the HR said that, oh, your salary is so high. Waduh, this is make you apa ya?
Kayak feel
Masa
down.
sih gitu. Ya.
Oh, gitu.
But
Ah.
iya sampai down. Oh iya, apa iya saya gitu.
Wow, wow,
Tapi
wow,
sekarang
wow.
ada YouTube ya. Maybe and no and any YouTube ya, because
Hmm.
YouTube is very helpful to the first apa? First graduate, I think.
I want to ask something to Rami. So, when you said about 2.5 millions, did you make any research before, or you just want that in the
No,
past?
no, I'm not research. Just I just if OMR I will uh 2 times. Yeah, Miss Diana. Yeah, like this. Yeah.
Ah, hmm.
And I'm not reset. Yeah, this is my fault.
Okay.
Oh.
Well, it will be interesting. Next week we discuss about this because actually, next week our discussion will be about working. Actually, today should be working, but I skip into negotiation, so we can discuss about working life, and maybe Mr. Hamid can give any tips to Fasha and also Rani for for your future, guys. It's very needed because negotiate in salary. It's so hard, honestly. So hard. So
Okay.
yeah, maybe next meeting, we can discuss about it. It will be so interesting. Hopefully, you guys can attend the class on Thursday to discuss about negotiation in working place and in some kinds of other places. It's okay. Okay, everyone, because time's up, so we have to dismiss the class today. But I'm so sorry because after this, I want to service my laptop first. So after this class, maybe I just can, I can only send this to you, send this lesson, but not for the video. Yeah, for the video, maybe after finish from the service center. Okay. Wait. Okay then. So hopefully we can meet again next meeting on Thursday. Thank you very much, Mr. Helmi, Fasha, and Rani for today. See ya, everyone. Thank you.
Thank
Thank you.
you.
See you.